LTASC. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going.
Some sounds are short, which is Raya's burping sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Omarashi's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are super long, like Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
That feels so freaking good, baby. I can hear the plops. Actually, I feel like farting for 56 seconds from a video by Candy Farts, and I will talk about this sound effect later. Oh, hi, the name's Untold Loneliness Oswald, or call me Suicide Oswald. I am going to test the peeing sound effect from P3T. It's from a video called Almost Made It. No, she didn't. Gasha pee with sound. The music box will be removed at the beginning and end. And besides, the video is almost 1 year old, and my bladder is full because I held my pee in for too long because somebody was in there, so I need to relax my bladder, so the pee can trickle down. Sweet relief. That felt so good to pee from a video by P3T.